Last Friday, we went to the physics laboratory to make several experiments related with movement that we are going to explain now.
Is going to take the times. Rails that are going to send a signal to the chronometer to start counting and to finishing. Is the object that is going to move. Is where the trolley is going to travel. We have a final position of 0.2 meters, so we put the photo gates with a difference of 20 centimeters. We put the first cable on the port B of the first photo gate and on the chronometer. The second cable on the port B of the second photo gate and on the port A of the first. We make the trolley advance 3 times to take the average time, and we make the formula. There are 2 ways to make it. The first one is like the previous exercise by joining together the 2 cells. So we have a position of 0.02.
Another way of calculating instantaneous speed is only done with one cell. We connect the cable to the port B of the cell while we press the 2 buttons of the chronometer at the same time, so we activate the second mode of the timer. This mode will measure the time that the trolley is going to take to start and finish passing through the laser. As we know the thickness of the stick that is going to cut the laser, we can substitute in the formula in order to obtain the instantaneous speed. Once we have all the data, we substitute in the formula position with accelerations to verify the results. The result will be very similar to the theory.
These are the experiments we have done to prove that the theory is very similar to the practice. The results are not exactly the same because of the friction forces.